Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02256 error in Oracle database 12c. So I am going to log in as a common user called /scott in SQL Plus editor. So make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the queries. Okay. Now I am going to create one master table. So master table means it will have one primary key. Okay. So I am creating one master table. So employee number with the number data type primary key. Okay. Next another column is name column. Var_2 data type. So this is the master table. It is created successfully. Now I am going to create one slave table. So slave table means it is going to refer the primary key column. Okay. So this slave table will be depends on master table. So that is the concept here. Okay. So I am creating the slave table now. Create table, slave table, employee number, name, okay, comma, foreign key. So foreign key here is employee number. So employee number is a foreign key. Employee number key references master table. Okay. So what here I am doing here, I am referring two values, employee number underscore name. Sorry, employee number comma name. Okay, let us see what is going to happen. See here, ORA-02256 number of referencing columns must match referenced column. So what is the problem here is, in foreign key I mentioned the employee number, that is one column, but references also should be only one column, that is employee number only, but I have mentioned employee number comma name, which is wrong here. Okay, so I am correcting the query now. It should be employee number only, because employee number only I am referring. I am deleting the extra column. That's it. Enter. Now you can see that issue is got fixed, and this is the fix for ORA-02256 number of referencing columns must match referenced columns.